He faces more than 50 charges for his role in an Indianapolis house explosion that killed 2 people and damaged nearly 80 homes.
Bob Leonard's trial got moved to Allen County because the case had so much exposure in central Indiana. News Channel 15's Sara Wagner sat in on the opening statements today. She joins us live from downtown Fort Wayne with a recap of the trial so far. Sara.
The opening statements took about an hour this morning here at the Allen County Courthouse, but before those could even get started, it took the judge more than an hour just to read through all of the charges and instructions to the jury. The prosecution started opening statements detailing how many of the 911 calls the night of the explosion came from people thinking there was a plane crash because the blast was so significant. With more than 150 witnesses set to testify, the prosecution acknowledged it will be tedious but necessary for the jury, saying, quote, "Think about this case as a wall that's comprised of brick upon brick upon brick. When you think of that wall, these are all of the bricks to that wall." This is the second trial related to this case. A jury found Leonard's half-brother, Mark Leonard, guilty last summer at his trial in South Bend. Even though this trial will include many of the same witnesses and evidence as Mark's did, the prosecutor says that doesn't make this case any easier to win.
A different role, different circumstances, and so the evidence will just have to play out. There's absolutely no slam dunk in putting together a trial of 6 weeks, 150 witnesses, thousands of exhibits.
The defense acknowledged how horrific the scene was after the explosion, saying, quote, "To characterize it as a war zone probably doesn't do it justice." While the prosecution says it understands how emotional the case will get, it urged the jury to listen to the facts of the case, saying, quote, "There is no doubt of one thing, and that is this. You will see things and hear things firsthand you never thought you would in your life. Your verdict can't be based off emotion, and there will be a lot of it." The trial is slated to last through the beginning of March. Reporting outside the Allen County Courthouse, Sara Wagner, News Channel 15.